All right, guys, volume of a cylinder. This is pretty simple. We're just gonna look at our notes, look at the reference sheet, and do a couple examples. So here's your reference sheet. You'll have this on your STAAR test. You have it on the interim assessment. You can ask for it on paper or you can look at the digital copy. So for today, we are going to need to use volume of a cylinder. So we'll be using this formula. And we are also going to be using the area of a circle formula. Those are the two big things that we're using today. So volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Cylinder is an object made of two circular bases and one rectangle. Volume of a cylinder formula. If we look at our reference sheet, it was V equals big B times H. Big B is different than little b because big B means the area of the base. And what shape did we say the base of a cylinder is? It's a circle. So that's why I said on the previous slide, we need to use the area of a circle formula for our big B. So the area of a circle, to find that, is pi r squared. So if you want to rewrite the formula like this, we have V equals big B, and instead of writing big B, we're going to put pi r squared, and then that's multiplied by H. It doesn't look like that on your reference sheet. You're just going to have to remember big B is the area of the base. What shape is the base? It's a circle. Go look for that area of a circle formula and plug it in. So things to remember. Read the problem first, please. Read the problem first, and then you want to write down what is the known information. So let's look at this STAAR question. A cylinder and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. Which equation can be used to find V, the volume of the cylinder, in cubic inches? Volume, the units are cubed, which is different than area because it's squared, so that's just a thing to know. So first, I read the problem. I know I'm looking for volume, so that's big B times H. We know that we can rewrite this as pi r squared times H. But what does the cylinder give us? Is 5 the radius or the diameter? Well, since it goes all the way across, I know that the diameter is 5, which means the radius is 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5 inches. And it doesn't give me the height, so we'll just leave that alone. So let's look at our answer choices. Which equation can be used to find V? So let's plug in what we know. V equals pi. I know my R is 2.5 squared, and then I have H. So A is not correct because the H is inside the parentheses. Same thing with B, except they use the diameter instead of the radius. D is using the diameter as well, so all that's left is C. Another problem, a cylinder has a height of 5 feet and a diameter of 2 feet. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the cylinder in cubic feet? So again, write my formula, big B times H, which is pi r squared times H. I'll draw my cylinder. So it has a height of 5 feet, and the diameter, which is all the way across, is 2. So I know the diameter is 2. The height is 5. I don't need the diameter, so the radius is 2 divided by 1. My bad. Sorry, guys. 2 divided by 2 because we want half, which equals 1. So my radius is 1. Now I'm ready to plug everything in. V equals pi times 1 squared times 5. We put that in Desmos, and that comes out to 15.7 feet cubed. So I hope that was very straightforward for you. Again, read the problem, write down your known information. If it gives you a diameter, you need to write down the radius. Okay, that's pretty much all it is. We're going to be using the formula sheet. So tomorrow when I see y'all in class, we'll just be doing this for practice. And if you need help, just ask, please.